We are often faced with barriers in our open source research due to not having user accounts for certain social media sites, and therefore we are prevented from seeing public information. How can this be overcome, or can this be overcome using your system? So that's a very good question. So what I can say on behalf of ShadowDragon and Blackdot, you basically use our um, virtual identities to be able to see it. Now, there's one thing. If someone, for example, has a social media account that is set to private, chances are high that you will only be able to find that account, but you will not be able to find their posts because, well, it's not publicly available. So, long story short, within both of our platforms, you will be able to see almost everything that's publicly available without having to own your own sub-puppet accounts or virtual identities. That's definitely something we do. And that's also highly important because setting up accounts can be super challenging, and especially also the maintenance of those accounts can be super challenging. So that's something we can definitely do.